Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Zach. I know this is a little ways off of the beaten path from my channel, but I just discovered something yesterday that I thought was so cool that I wanted to share it with you. How to find all the spider webs in your house. And no, it doesn't require any x-ray goggles. Take a walk with me, if you will, into my bathroom. Now, I didn't clear this with the wife, so I might be in deep doo-doo over this, but take a look around. Look up there. You see any spider webs up there? No, I don't either. Check this out. Now, all you clean freaks out there, I'm really sorry about this. You're not going to be able to unsee it. Watch. Look at it. Isn't that horrible? Gross. Why didn't I see those before? The reason you don't usually see them is threefold, and it's especially pronounced when your walls are painted white. First, spider webs are mostly the same color as your wall. Next, spiders usually make their webs in the top corners of your walls. And third, light fixtures are usually on the ceilings, shining down, instead of down, shining up toward the ceiling. So a real good way to counter that is to turn off all the other lights, and then shine a scattered beam, such as your cell phone flashlight. What I mean is not a pinpoint beam like a mag light, but a scattered beam up from the bottom, which now turns those spiderweb shadows into shadow color, and then you can find them and knock them out. The only problem is, now if you're anything like me, everywhere you go, you're going to be shining your light up and looking for all the cobwebs that you missed.